This poem is reaching for something more. And I don't just mean thematically, I'm talking about the lines themselves. Welcome to part 21 of Sonnets for Poetry Month, where I'm crafting while I talk about poetry from a craft perspective. And today's poem is The Dreamer by Charles Bertram Johnson from 1905. Now, in order to explain what I mean about these words or the lines reaching out, I need to tell you about a poetic technique called enjambment. And enjambment is what happens when a sentence or an idea starts on one line and then runs on to the next. Line breaks in poetry create a kind of natural pause in the same way a comma or a period might. So it's very common for those line breaks to line up neatly with commas or periods. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day is a complete thought in a complete line. But if that line is enjambed, the break will come in the middle of the thought and give it a different meaning or feeling. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou'rt more. And this is the technique that Johnson uses for many of the lines in The Dreamer. Listen to this. Like vast nebulae spinning into space, scintillant worlds of light, his fine-spun dreams are nebulae of thought. No failure seems to daunt him nor despair, but calm the face. He shows the world, if once he wept, no trace of tears appears, but still about him gleams, with loftiness of soul, a light that streams across our meaner paths and sordid place. Like one who walks in mist or dusk is blurred, he fares among mankind with lofty brow, and half of what he dreams is true and wise, though indistinct and dim, like music heard in sleep, but seldom does our faith allow the wisdom of his clearer, subtler eyes. Just about every line is reaching ahead to the next, just like the dreamer is reaching beyond what others can see. That's how